Yo,
Yo, what's your name, yo?
Miguel.
Oh, Tato. Right, were you from Dominican Republic?
Yeah.
Oh, were you? So how long you be cutting hair for, yo?
Yeah, like 8 years, yo.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
Ay,
entonces,
dime, ¿qué es lo que es? Ese tigre,
yo,
ese tigre,
you know my style.
coño.
Yo, coño. You know my style, nigga. You know my style.
Oh my God.
Oh, goodness.
Boy.
Nigga, fucking cancer in my head. Oh, shit. He spit on me, man.
Oh my God, right there, that. Oh, you look like that Asian. Oh my God.
Oh, yes. I want to fight. Who? You. Yeah. I want to fight you. Monkey style. Wait, let me get the perfect. Oh, yes. I want to fight you, monkey style. Drunken monkey. Yes. Yeah, that would be perfect for all of them.